You type a question, and it writes back a poem, an essay, working code, like it understands you. But here's the unsettling truth. A large language model doesn't know anything. It's not thinking. It's doing one thing billions of times a second: guessing the next word. Let's break down how that actually works. A computer can't read words, only numbers. So the first thing an LLM does is chop your text into pieces called tokens, whole words or fragments like un and believable. Each token gets an ID number. To the model, your sentence isn't language. It's a list of numbers. But a number alone is meaningless. So each token is turned into a long list of numbers, a vector, that places it on a giant map of meaning. On this map, king and queen sit close together. Paris points to France, the same way Tokyo points to Japan. The model learns meaning as geometry, directions and distances in space. Nobody programmed those maps. The model learned them by reading a huge chunk of the internet and playing one game trillions of times. Cover the next word, guess it, check the real answer, and nudge its billions of internal dials, its parameters, to be a little less wrong. Repeat for months. That's training. The trick that made modern AI possible is attention. For every word, the model asks, which other words matter here? In, the trophy didn't fit in the suitcase because it was too big. What's it? Attention lets the model look back, weigh every word, and figure out it means the trophy. This is the T in GPT, the transformer. So when you hit enter, the model reads your prompt and predicts the single most likely next token. Then it adds that token to the input and predicts the next, and again. It's writing by feeding its own output back into itself, one token at a time, which is why you see it type word by word. This also explains hallucination. The model isn't retrieving facts from a database. It's generating whatever sounds most plausible. Usually that's true. Sometimes it confidently invents a fake source or a wrong date, because a convincing sounding lie and the truth look identical to a next word predictor. So that's the whole magic. Tokens, a map of meaning, attention, and next word prediction, scaled up billions of times until the guesses become genuinely useful. It's not understanding. It's prediction, refined to the point it feels like understanding. But raw prediction is rude and unhelpful. So how does it learn to actually answer you politely? That's a different trick entirely. And that's next.